Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple ID email and any trusted phone numbers. This matters because Apple uses them to verify you. Once done, make sure at least one trusted device is online and updated, and collect device serial or IMEI and the last password you remember. Begin the account recovery or sign-in attempt now using Settings or Appleid. Apple. Calm. Act quickly. Disabled accounts often require timed waits, so initiating recovery immediately improves chances of restoring access. Follow the verification flow. When Apple asks, approve the sign-in on a trusted device or enter the SMS code sent to your number. If those fail, request account recovery. Apple will ask questions to match your identity and give an estimated recovery window. While you wait, check email and messages frequently because you may need to provide additional details. Make sure to store any recovery key or temporary codes in a secure place. This is how you reclaim a disabled iCloud account without losing data. Once Apple restores access, change your password to a strong, unique passphrase and review security settings for trusted numbers, devices, and the recovery key. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled to prevent future disabling and remove any unfamiliar devices from your account. If the recovery window passes without resolution, retry account recovery and document the steps you took. Then contact Apple support with your serial numbers and proof of ownership. As a tip, persistent failures normally mean missing verification items, so double-check trusted device availability before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.